morning class. Today I'll be teaching you that forces can change the way objects move. But what is a force? A force is a motion that can push or pull objects to either acceleration, deform, or change direction. A force was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton, who fabricated the three laws of motion. The law we'll be exploring is Newton's second law of motion, this being acceleration, mass, and force itself. We'll be applying Newton's laws in the following activity, the ball drop gravity activity. The aim of this experiment is to see why gravity pulls objects at the same speed and different speeds. The materials we'll be using for this experiment is one booklet and 2 pieces of scrap paper. The experiment will be made up of 3 stages. The first stage will be the booklet and the paper side by side. The second stage will be the booklet and a scrunched up piece of paper side by side. And the third stage will be the booklet and a flat piece of paper on top of the booklet. The results of the experiment follow as such. For the first stage of the experiment, the flat piece of paper slowly descended to the ground while the book descended at a more faster rate. The second stage of the experiment, the booklet and the scrunched up paper both fell to the ground. And for the third stage of the experiment, the booklet and the flat piece of paper fell together with the paper on top of the booklet.
Recording.
To go into more detail, I will now talk to you about the discussions of the experiment and into more proved detail of what happened during the experiment. As a result, for the first stage, with the booklet hit the ground first before the flat piece of paper, this is due to the mass of the paper being spread out, meaning it had a lighter mass, therefore a lighter acceleration than the booklet. For the second stage, the booklet and the scrunched up paper fell together side by side. This is due to the mass of the ball not being spread out but coming together to make a bigger mass, a mass that can almost compare with the booklet, hence why gravity pulled both of them down together. And for the third and final stage, the paper was on top of the booklet while the objects were falling. This is due to friction keeping the booklet and the paper together, and as to why the paper descended by itself and not with the booklet in the first stage.